I'm in a 2023 Silverado 2500 HD, and I want to show you something. I'm going to show you a few things. I've been driving in a few days, and let's see if I can get this. We got a red light right here. I want to show you something. Now, this is the diesel. I don't know if I said that. It's a diesel. Here we go. All right, now let's see what this says. There it is, right there. So, here's the thing. Yesterday and the day before it said 10.5. I did a reset on it. It's a diesel. What's the diesel rate? Diesel's about 450, and I don't know. I don't know about that. I got a 2012 2500 Ram. It's getting about the same amount. Now I'm like, this is ridiculous. But it's gas, so at least it's gas.